Typewriter Arts started when a friend found an old manual typewriter on a curb and gave it to me, and something kind of magical happened. My name is Amy Probst, and I type live poetry on a manual typewriter in one draft with no backspace or correction. My poems are really personal. That's what's special to me, and I think that's what makes them special to the recipients. I talk to a person for a couple minutes and get a sense of who they are, what's important to them, what's on their mind, if there's something in particular they'd like the poem to be about or someone who it will be for. And then I just go live. It usually takes around 10 or 15 minutes. Creating live poems for people, it's capturing the life in a moment, a connection between the typewriter and the person I've just spoken to or who it's for. It really blends my backgrounds, I think. I'm a writer and I love rhyme. My poems do rhyme. That's part of the challenge and fun for me. I also have backgrounds in improvisation, trained at the old Second City in Detroit. I have a social work degree, and I just really love people. I also have a little bit of a comedy background, and sometimes a little comedy turns up in the poems too. But for the most part, they're meaningful, and that's what I love about them, is it's capturing a live moment that somebody gets to take home with them and, keep and frame and remember. So I am thrilled to meet you and type poems for as many folks as I'm able to. It's really one of the most fulfilling things I do in my life, and I look forward to meeting you.